Well, howdy, folks. Charlie with Typewriter Justice here, and damn, it's been a while. And, that's not my machine. This is one that I couldn't resist doing a video for. This machine came from Scott at TypewriterMinutes, good friend of mine, both out in the typosphere and here in the DFW Metroplex, Metro Mess, whatever you want to call it. And this thing is a little bit of an odd duck. And, you know, that's worth taking note of. And that bell is in key with the Aaron Copeland. So this thing's 1959, and you might notice it doesn't look like any other Smith Corona or Tower. You know, Tower was the Sears and Roebuck rebrand made by Smith Corona. It doesn't look like any others that you've seen, because it's not. It's got a citation style body, which was the next generation, you know, like the Galaxy class, if you will, only not nearly as ugly. So it's got the Galaxy class citation body with the two-angle panel there, and a nice curved finger guard, with the earlier ribbon cover, which is completely unique. And they've got funky, unique keys on there, too. Look at them, they're all kind of triangle, wedge-shaped. You're not going to find those anywhere else. That's just cool. So he's selling this thing, and I had to borrow it for a little bit before he does. Just cause, look at it. I mean, that's pretty smooth chunk of writing iron. It's got a 12-inch platen on there, so you got enough room to do anything your little heart desires. One of my favorite things about these, metal carriage release levers. Because, man, those other ones, where are they? Hey, here's one. Yeah, the ones that look like this. See how this one's all broken and nasty? Yeah. That's what happens to those, and that's not going to happen with the metal ones. That's why I like those. So anyway, that's 1959 President 12. I'm going to do a little type test with it. 1959 President 12, made by Tower, or sold by Tower, sold by Sears and Roebuck. Look at that logo. It's so cool. A little S and a little R. Looks like a butterfly. Serial number 5LTT126122X. That's easily the longest serial number I've ever had on any machine on this channel. That number again, 5LTT126122X. Type now, operator standing by. So, get my thing out of the way there. I am using 2 pieces of paper because this is not my machine, but that platen's in good shape. Like, you could totally get away with just 1 piece of paper. But I'm a nerd, and, you know, I do nerdly things. Oh, where'd you go? There we go. On the black setting, oh, I love these keys. They have nice little cups that fit your fingers. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And that is easily some of the prettiest print I've seen on just about anything. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their where did I leave off there? Country. Pretty stinking snazzy. So that's one heck of a chunk of writing iron there. And I think the auction is active right now. I don't know how much he's asking for this thing. I want to say it was 3 something for the starting bid. And that's totally worth it, because dadgum. That is one clean some gun. Look at how clean that comb is. Wow. And it's got this crazy, gorgeous holiday case. My God, that thing's bonkers. Anyway, there you go. 1959 President 7 in all its presidential glory. So party. All right, later.